Let's face it, walking into a gun shop should be exciting. You're there to make a smart investment, maybe even pick up your first firearm. But behind the glass counters and friendly small talk, some shops are running games. From fake upgrade bundles to shady background check fees, there are scams lurking where you'd least expect them. And even experienced buyers fall for them. Today we're pulling back the curtain on 13 of the sneakiest gun shop scams that are draining wallets and wrecking trust across America. If you've ever bought a firearm or plan to, this list could save you hundreds of dollars and a whole lot of regret. Let's count them down. Free gun cleaning that wrecks your firearm. You walk into a routine visit and the shop clerk says, "Hey, we'll clean your gun for free while you browse." Sounds friendly, right? Until they disappear behind the counter and your pristine pistol comes back with scratches, a missing pin, or worse, a broken part. Many of the shops use this a way to upsell services or claim your gun has a problem that needs fixing. Some even hope you won't notice the damage until it's too late to prove. Don't hand over your firearm unless you trust the shop like it's your own brother. Or better yet, clean it yourself, because nothing free is ever truly free, especially not at a gun store. Now, number 2, the "this is the last one" pressure play. This is the last one we've got, and they're flying off the shelves. If you've heard that before in a gun shop, congratulations, you just met the scarcity sales tactic. It's designed to make you feel like if you don't buy now, you'll miss out forever. But here's the truth, 9 out of 10, it's a bluff. There's more stock in the back, more shipments coming next week, and no ATF ban about to hit tomorrow morning. It's all about urgency, getting you to pull out your wallet before you've had a chance to think. Don't fall for it. Pause. Ask questions. Compare prices online. If you walk away and suddenly they find another one, you'll know exactly what game they're playing. Scarcity is one of the oldest tricks in sales, and in a gun shop, it can cost you hundreds. Number 11, the tactical upgrade. That's just tactical nonsense. You're eyeing a decent rifle when the sales guy leans in and says, "You want to add this tactical stock and flashier handguard. Total game changer." Suddenly your $900 setup is pushing you $1,600. And for what? Looks? This is the upsell trap. Flashy parts with zero real benefit. Some shops push cheap accessories dressed up as must-haves, but they're often low-quality imports that add bulk, not performance. And let's be real, a rubber rail cover won't turn your rifle into a Navy SEAL's carbine. If you're building a purpose-driven setup, fine. But if your upgrades are more plastic than practical, just walk away. Ask yourself, does this part serve your mission or their sales quota? Don't be fooled by marketing buzzwords like operator, elite, or mil-spec. The $60 foregrip won't make you shoot straighter, but it will make them smile at the register. Number 10, the beginner bundle that breaks the bank. First gun? We've got that perfect starter package for you. Gun, case, cleaning kit, even ammo. Sounds great until you see what's inside. A no-name range bag, a $3 plastic holster, 20 rounds of bottom shelf ammo, and a markup that makes your eyes water. Shops love bundling cheaper gear with entry-level firearms and calling it a starter kit. But most of the time, you're paying extra for stuff you'll replace within a week. That deluxe cleaning kit, it'll break before your second range trip. New shooters deserve guidance, not gimmicks. If you're buying your first gun, skip the flashy bundles. Ask for quality recommendations piece by piece. You'll save money, get better gear, and actually learn what works for you, not what lines the shop's shelves. Don't let convenience become a cash trap. Your first setup should build confidence, not clutter your range bag with regrets. Number 9, this one's about to be banned. Hype sales pitch. Ever hear a salesman whisper, "Better grab it now. They're about to ban these." It's like yelling fire in a movie theater. Suddenly panic buys, rushed decisions, and inflated prices. Some shops thrive on fear marketing. They dangle headlines, rumors, or half-baked legislation to convince buyers they'll miss out forever. But here's the truth. Most bans take months, even years to pass, if they pass at all. And in the meantime, that same gun you overpaid for might drop in price once the panic fades. Yes, political changes matter. Yes, staying informed is smart, but fear shouldn't be your financial advisor. If a gun shop is pushing urgency over facts, pause, do your research, check the news, not just their word, because about to be banned often means we need to clear stock and we know how to push your buttons. Number 8, lifetime warranty. More like lifetime headache. Buy this pistol and you're covered for life. Sounds great until you try to use that so-called warranty. Here's the scam. Some gun shops push products by flaunting a lifetime warranty that's either A, not honored by the manufacturer, or B, buried under enough fine print to make it worthless. Worse, some store warranties are only good as long as the store stays open, and we've all seen gun shops vanish overnight. Then there's hoops. Pay shipping. Include original receipts. Only covered if you used approved ammo and cleaning supplies. Suddenly that lifetime coverage feels more like a dead end. Always ask who's backing the warranty, the store or the maker, and what does it actually cover? Is it transferable? Read the paperwork before you believe the pitch, because in many cases the only thing lifetime about that warranty is the regret. Number 7, the used gun like new trick. Barely shot. Looks brand new. That's the line, and too many buyers fall for it. Here's the catch. Cosmetic condition doesn't tell the whole story. That shiny used Glock on the shelf, it might have been dry fired 1,000 times, had aftermarket parts jammed in and ripped out, or even been abused with overpressure hand loads. And unless you're trained to inspect wear patterns, springs, barrel throat erosion, or frame stress, you're rolling the dice. Some shops do legit checks. Others, they just clean the outside, slap on a like new sticker, and mark it up $100 over its worth. Always ask for test fire history. Disassemble if they allow, and look for telltale signs of abuse. Or better yet, bring a trusted buddy who knows guns. Because that deal on that used rack, it might just be someone else's headache with a fresh coat of oil. Now, number 6, the custom gun that's just a parts bin special. This is a one-of-a-kind custom build. Translation: someone played Lego with random parts, and now they're trying to sell you a Frankenstein. Shady shops throw together budget lowers, no-name barrels, and flashy accessories. Then they call it custom, and with a Cerakote and big price tag, they convince new buyers it's something special, but there's no real QC, no builder's warranty, no guarantee the buffer, gas system, or tolerances even work together. We've seen these custom ARs fail to cycle, blow extractors, or worse, even headspace issues. They'll be blinded by color-matched furniture or MLOK grip. Ask who built it. What's the part list? Is this assembled in-house or by a reputable company? Because real custom means craftsmanship, not just a random mismatch tossed together with hope and an Allen wrench. Now, number 5, broken gun. Too bad? No returns. Ever buy a gun, take it to the range, and it won't even cycle? You head back to the shop and they hit you with, sorry, all sales final. Here's the scam. They knowingly sell malfunctioning or low-tier firearms with zero accountability. Many shops hide behind the no returns policy, even when the firearm is clearly defective. And since most states don't treat gun sales like toaster returns, you're stuck playing ping pong between the shop and the manufacturer. And don't forget ammo or accessories bundled with the gun. They won't refund that either. Smart move? Ask about the return and warranty policy before you pay. If they can't offer at least a manufacturer support channel or inspection period, then walk. Because once your cash is gone and your new gun jams on round 1, they'll suddenly forget your name. Now, number 4, tactical trash sold as gold. Tactical flashlight, vertical grip, skeletonized trigger, must be worth $400 or more, right? Wrong. This is one of the oldest gun shop upcharges in the book. They take a basic rifle or shotgun, bolt on a couple of Amazon tier accessories, and boom, tactical build with a new price tag. You're not paying for performance, you're paying for flair. The $39 red dot, it's probably not holding zero. That muzzle brake, just for show, and don't even get us started on those cheap laser lights. Shady shops use this trick to prey on first-time buyers who equate tactical with better, but most of these bolt-ons do nothing except lighten your wallet and look cool on Instagram. Real tactical upgrades come from trusted brands with proven reliability. If the add-ons don't have a warranty, a brand name, or a purpose, you're not upgrading, you're decorating. Now, number 3, bait and switch. The gun you came for just sold. This one's classic. You show up for a deal, maybe a Glock for $399, and the guy behind the counter goes, oh, yeah, that one's sold out, but I got something better for just $649. That's the bait and switch in action. They hook you with a deal that never really existed, then slide in a superior option you didn't ask for. Spoiler alert, it's not superior. It's just sitting on the shelf collecting dust. Some stores bank on your awkwardness, hoping you'll cave rather than walk away empty-handed. Don't fall for it. Call ahead, confirm inventory, and never be afraid to walk out. They play games at the counter. They'll play games after the sale. A legit shop doesn't need to trick you into buying. They earn your trust with honesty, not hustle. Number 2, the checkout trap. Required gear that isn't. Here's the move. You're buying your first gun, feeling good, and then the counter guy says, "You need this cleaning kit? These hollow points, a cable lock, maybe a holster?" It's all part of this starter pack. Suddenly your $500 pistol is pushing $800. Welcome to the force bundle scam, where helpful advice turns into wallet warfare. Newsflash, none of the stuff is mandatory. Some shops use high-pressure tactics to tack on overpriced accessories and claim it's required. It's not. The only thing legally required is a secure storage device, and they're usually included. Everything else? Your call. You're not buying a car stereo, you're buying a firearm. So if the salesman starts piling on mystery fees or overpriced gear, hit pause, ask questions, say no, because a gun shouldn't come with strings attached or a hidden subscription. Now coming in at number 1, a background check fee. That's pure fiction. Here it is, the king of all scams. Some gun shops will slap on a background check fee that's way higher than what the law actually allows. We're talking $50, $75, or even $100. And here's the twist. In many states, the background check is free or capped at a fixed low rate, like $10 or less. But unless you call them out, they'll just pocket the difference. It's a straight-up cash grab disguised as policy. Worse, they might bury it in vague terms like processing, compliance, or registration fees, hoping you won't ask. But guess what? You should always ask for a breakdown of every fee on that receipt. If something sounds fishy, it probably is. Don't let them guilt trip you with, "Oh, it's just how we do things." No, that's how they do scams, and it's on you to stop it cold. So now you know the tricks. From bogus background check fees to custom builds that barely function, these scams are everywhere. The worst part? They count on you not knowing better. But you do now. So the next time someone leans in with a fake limited offer or tries to bundle you into a corner with junk gear, look them in the eye and say, "Not today." Hit that subscribe button if you ever felt burned at the counter. Drop your worst gun shop experience in the comments. We read every one. And if this video saved you cash or stress, share it. Someone you know needs this, because smart buyers don't fall for tricks. They walk in ready.